Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to the family. Please you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification each time I post a new video. So this video was suggested by one of my subscribers, and who am I to say no? I'm not in the medical field, but I did the best I can do. Hope it helps, but it's just basics. So if you feel there are any mistakes, please feel free to correct me in the comment section below. So here it goes. How are you feeling today? In Nyanja, muvelako bwanji lelo. If it's an elderly person, you say muvelako bwanji lelo. Then if it's a young person, you just say muvelako bwanji lelo. What else is hurting? What else is hurting? In Nyanja, nivichani vinangu vibaba. Okay? And then when did it start? In Nyanja, munayamba liti kuvela so. Okay? So the way it is, like for example, if somebody says, my stomach is hurting. Okay? So you want to ask them to say, when did it start? So like stomach in Nyanja is mumala. So you can just easily say, munayamba liti kubaba mumala. Okay, when did your stomach start hurting? If the person says no, I have a headache, so I can say mutu namba liti kubaba, because mutu is head in Nyanja. Okay, so the last one is have you taken any medication? In Nyanja will say muna mwako munkwala onse. Okay, so if the patient says yes, then you ask them to say what medication. In Nyanja will say munkwala bwanji. Okay, and then they will tell you the Panadol, or maybe they took what. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. That's all I had for you. Please tell me what you think about this video in the comments section below.